won't believe this is made from pipe cleaners. Let me show you exactly how. Hey everyone, welcome to FuzzyMake. I'm so excited you're here. Today we are making this beautiful butterfly using just pipe cleaners, and it takes under 10 minutes. If this is your first time here, every week I post easy pipe cleaner tutorials for all skill levels. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Here's everything you need. 5 pipe cleaners for the wings. I'm using green today, but any colors work. 1 pipe cleaner for the body and antennae. That's literally it, 5 pipe cleaners total. Let's start with the wings. Take your first pipe cleaner and fold it in half right in the middle like this. Now you have a U shape. Repeat the same thing with your second pipe cleaner for the bottom wing. Make this one slightly smaller than the first real butterfly wings, are bigger on top, smaller on the bottom. Now grab your third pipe cleaner, this becomes the body. Fold it in half and place your 2 wings in between the fold, like a sandwich. The wings go in the middle, body wraps around them. Start twisting the body pipe cleaner around itself below the wings, working your way down. Each twist should be tight and close together. This is what holds everything in place. Twist about 6 to 8 times for the body. Don't rush this part. The tighter your twists, the sturdier your butterfly will be. We're almost done. This is the fun part. The 2 ends sticking up from the body, those are your antennae. Curl them outward with your finger. Just wrap each one around your fingertip once to make a little spiral. Now shape your wings. Gently pull them apart and curl them outward. Top wings spread wide, bottom wings slightly smaller. Don't be afraid to adjust. Pipe cleaners are super forgiving. You can reshape as many times as you want. And there she is. Your pipe cleaner butterfly is done. Look how beautiful that turned out. 3 pipe cleaners under 10 minutes. And this is what you get. I hope you enjoyed making this butterfly. If you made one, I'd love to see you take a photo and share it in the comments below. And let me know, what should I make next? A cat? A flower? A unicorn? Comment below and I'll make the most requested one next week. If you're new here, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a tutorial. New videos every week. See you in the next one!